Education is a key priority for Rhondda Cynon Taf Council, and in recent years, with financial support from the Welsh Government, the Council have embarked on an ambitious programme to develop the education facilities across the county borough. Such investment will assist in raising attainment and help young people in Rhondda Cynon Taf reach their full potential. There will also be a wider benefit for the local economy and community. For example, employment opportunities for local people thanks to these large-scale projects. The £75 million proposals for schools in Rhondda and Tonorefel seek to make the biggest ever investment in education facilities in Wales, which will benefit over 7,000 pupils. Proposals include the development of new and improved schools for young people in Rhondda and Tonorefel, including the introduction of middle schools and the development of a larger, more sustainable sixth form provision. This is a step change in the Council's approach to education, similar to that being undertaken by other local authorities in Wales, such as Ceredigion, who have also introduced middle schools. Before Ysgol Llanhari opened as a middle school in 2012, parents, pupils and staff raised similar concerns to those highlighted during the recent consultation on proposals for Rhondda and Tonorefel. Mrs Rhian Phillips, head teacher at Ysgol Llanhari, talks us through her experiences.
In about March 2012, and that was when the actual build happened. We carried on teaching as usual throughout that time. There was minimal disruption, and I must say an excellent relationship between the construction workers and ourselves. There are many benefits to being part of a middle school or an all-through school, as people tend to call it now. Progression, educational progression is one of the first things, obviously. There'll be a seamless transition. We know these children from the age of 3 all the way up to when they will leave us eventually as sixth formers. It's all extremely controlled here. Areas are fenced off, sectioned off. You can't go into the primary department or vice versa without a fob. But we do, obviously, under controlled circumstances, we encourage work to go across between the primary and the secondary department. Also then break times, start times, end times are all slightly different in order that we can control things and there's an element of security here.
We have an absolutely fantastic team of staff who all have the same vision. They're all motivated. They all appreciate that we're in a unique and exciting position of being a middle school, and that obviously feeds into the children as well. So we have many of our year 1 and 2 pupils who are part of the school council and are part of the eco committee as well. So we have children from age 5 right the way up to A-level students working together, trying to make the school a better place.
I think some parents initially had some concerns about their very young children being exposed to teenagers and teenage behaviour. But as far as I'm aware, I haven't heard any parents complaining about that recently. In fact, there's lots of positives. I have children with a wide range of ages, and for me it just reflects normal family life that they're all together in the same place. And I think it's brought out the best in everybody and they get the best of all experiences.
The new Aberdare Community School is just one example of how young people are already benefiting from the Council's ambitious 21st Century Schools investment programme.
In this day and age, change is frightening, but I think that the change we have in our valley is a change for the best, where our children will be able to reach for the stars.
For more information on the proposed £75 million investment in Rhondda and Tonorefel, or to find out more about the Council's 21st Century Schools programme, please visit www.rctcbc.gov.uk/21st Century Schools.